Hi YouTube. This was a video request from my YouTube friend Duane. He wanted to see a review on the classic Leatherman Multitool. Check it out. This is my classic Leatherman Multitool leather pouch. It has seen a lot of use. The Leatherman was invented in 1975, and that's about when I got this. My dad gave it to me a long time ago. So it's like 33 years old. Yeah. But very well made. It shows some wear, but still in good shape. Leatherman Multitool is made in Portland, Oregon. It's all stainless steel. Still kind of stiff to open. It's a little easier than it was when it was new, but still, you gotta work at it. Needle nose pliers, very useful. Probably the most useful tool on this knife. Because I always carried a second knife for cutting, but I carried this for a tool. I also, when I go on a trip, I always throw this in my bag. You used to be able to have these in carry-on luggage on airplanes. Not anymore. Now it's got to be checked in with your suitcase that they take care of. Anyway, it's got a file, very used, a small flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, can opener. I have actually used all these tools. They don't lock. On the newer multi-tools, most of them have locks, but these do not. If you want to use a screwdriver, the best thing to do is to close it and use it like that. It's pretty secure that way. Anyway, that's on one side of the handle. All the tools, still stiff to open after 33 years. It hasn't gotten much easier. Anyway, knife blade stays sharp for a long time. It's good steel. Wide slotted flat blade screwdriver, medium sized screwdriver, and a leather punch awl. Oh yeah, this is not the safest thing. Anyway, I've used this many times for enlarging a hole, like you're going to put a wire through a hole. It's not quite big enough. Make it a little bigger with that thing. This is not a self-defense tool, although it could be. In an emergency, of course, you use what you have, but it's a very high quality multi-tool, classic Leatherman, 1975, will last a lifetime. Maybe not if you use it every day in like construction or whatever, but for the average person, camping, hiking, everyday carry, lasts a long time. If you open it like this, you have a ruler. It's 8 inches or 20 centimeters. Very cool, very useful. Gerber also makes a really nice multi-tool, and there are others out there, but this is what I have, this is what I use. I highly recommend if you get one, whatever brand it is. Very useful. There you go. 2-banner. Hope that answers your questions. Thanks for watching. Peace out.